Crypterium really is buy and buy esteemed at 10 cents. Crpt's kind of intraday volume certainly remains at $1,107,930, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Backing for the in a real sense bears by and large has been laid out at $0.097. Crypterium's EMA10 truly shows a genuinely descending pattern in an especially significant manner. 23 December 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Crypterium cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly explicitly clarified pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is by and large momentary cost expectation for Crypterium, explicitly is Crpt a for the most part wise speculation, which in a real sense is very huge. Crypterium support and opposition levels and so forth, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to plunging commonly profound into the Crpt specialized examination, truly let us generally discuss the extremely current economic situations, or so they most certainly thought. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the exceptionally whole digital money market to $1,659,3,959,381, showing how Crypterium by and large is buy and buy esteemed at 10 cents. Crpt's truly intraday volume generally remains at $1,107,930 in an unobtrusive manner. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $54,944,631,622, which for the most part shows that backing for the in a real sense bears basically has been laid out at $0.097. Crypterium's EMA10 by and large shows a by and large descending pattern, so the certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 51.48% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in a by and large significant manner. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, showing that Crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.74%, coming to $2,291.94 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that 23 December 2023. In this video, we will walk you through Crypterium cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually all things considered. Clarified some things, facts, what in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Crypterium, generally is Crpt and in every way that really matters, wise interest in an exceptionally significant way. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time span, which certainly is genuinely huge. BNB, the really local coin of BNB, basically is somewhere near 0.4 and as of now exchanging at $268.25, or so they in a real sense thought. Furthermore, XRP came to 62 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.81% in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market especially is going in a kind of descending bearing for truly transient in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a sort of broad most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially is very critical. Crypterium backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that Crypterium support and opposition levels and so on, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers explicitly become kind of more beautiful dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they in a real sense thought. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors certainly become most certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how backing for the in every way that really matters, bears by and large, has been laid out at $0.097. Crypterium's EMA10 generally shows in every practical sense descending pattern in a sort of enormous way. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Crypterium, Crpt, Crypterium execution the in every way that really matters, current Crypterium cost basically is 10 cents, with an exchanging volume of $1,107,930 in the beyond 24 hours, in a quite huge manner. Right now, CRPT sort of is somewhere around 5.67% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $8,382,866 United States dollars, so which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, exhibiting that crypterium support and obstruction levels and so forth, which truly is very critical. Crypterium Value Investigation CRPT Cost Examination for 23 December 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time period, truly made sense of beneath, especially further appearance how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $95.95, following a value change of 4.13% inside a similar time period, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. We utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly basic moving extremely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving sort of normal, EMA, to for the most part, examine the future development of the crypterium. So crypterium backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, showing that crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they explicitly thought. The prompt opposition for CRPT for the most part is explicitly found at 12 cents, and a breakout from this level could by and large leads towards the very next obstruction, which can in every way that really matters be in a real sense found at 13 cents, which in every way that really matters is very critical. On the in every way that really matters, other hand, assuming the bear sort of assume command and CRPT cost generally neglects to in a real sense break out above 12 cents, it could fall back towards the essential help at $0.097 as opposed to mainstream thinking. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the sine line after a hybrid, showing how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,635.05 level after a decay of 0.23%, exhibiting that crypterium support and obstruction levels, and so on incredibly. Crypterium financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the very everyday diagram, in a truly significant manner in fact. The especially relative strength file, RSI, for CRPT coin sort of is right now floating at 32 for 14 days certainly normal line, which generally implies CRPT basically is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. While CRPT's Williams %R pointer truly is at 75.686 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange certainly signals sort of is especially conceivable at this reach, which fundamentally shows that on the really other hand, in the event that the bear explicitly assume command and CRPT cost truly neglects to basically break out above 12 cents,